Is my absolute favourite salad of all time, without question. And if you're wondering what to do with those roast dinner leftovers from yesterday, then this is the answer. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I know some of you might be thinking, well, a salad can't be that good, but trust me, this one is. We're talking leftover lamb fried up until lovely and crispy, with sun-dried tomatoes, creamy feta and salad leaves. I'm literally salivating just thinking about it, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying up the lamb. Now I've got 400 grams, which is a little under a pound of leftover roast lamb here. Now this is a really versatile recipe. It does work best with lamb, but it also works with chicken, pork or beef. So we're going to coat this lamb with 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch. We're also going to add a good pinch of salt and pepper to the lamb and give it a mix to ensure all the lamb is coated. Now add 3 tablespoons of oil to a frying pan and heat over a medium to high heat. Add the coated lamb to the pan. You can check the oil's hot enough by putting 1 piece of lamb in the pan. If it sizzles, it's hot enough. Cook the lamb for 5 to 6 minutes, turning every couple of minutes until the lamb's crispy and browned. Whilst the lamb's cooking, we're going to make a super simple balsamic dressing, because what's a salad without a dressing? Add 4 tablespoons of good quality balsamic vinegar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil and a good pinch of salt and pepper to a small dish or jug. Give it a good mix together until combined. So that's the dressing done. Now the lamb's ready, we're going to remove it from the pan with a set of tongs and place it on a plate lined with some kitchen roll to soak up any excess fat. Now it's time to assemble the salad. I'm going to be using some baby salad leaves, some thinly sliced red onion and some sun-blushed tomatoes to go with the lamb. Top the salad leaves with the crispy lamb, then add the sun-blushed tomatoes and sprinkle on those red onion slices. Finally, we're going to crumble over some feta cheese. The flavours of that feta cheese with the sun-blushed tomatoes, lamb and red onion work so well together. Serve with a nice drizzle of that balsamic dressing. This crispy lamb salad is so addictive. The flavours just work so well together. Give it a go. I promise you, you won't regret it. I can't wait to dig in. And if you like this one, you're going to love my simple pasta salad. See you next time. So good. And crispy.